Nice food,
This is it.
drinking beer, everything beer.
Cut through the fog. Heart still jogging in the dark. I'm awake. Pressure on my back.
Alright guys, so we're in the boonies out over here, about a half hour, 45-minute away from Tirana. Apparently this spot's supposed to be really good for traditional food, so we're going to be checking it out today. This is a local hot spot out in the middle of the boonies in this village. Got a recommendation, so let's check it out. I gotta say guys, the drive was really interesting coming out over here. It almost kind of gets you, well, you sort of get a sense of understanding of Albania, how these rural towns came about and being cities and where they come from. So the drive was really interesting. A little bumpy, not the pleasant of roads, but definitely interesting. So even the wines are locally sourced from farmers made around here in the village. Very light-bodied, just a hint of sweetness that would, to me, signify homemade organic wine, and is what they claimed as well. FYI, they don't have a menu, so I think the way it goes is what's available for the day. For the non-vegetarians, they had a choice of chicken or lamb served over a bed of rice. So, they're also known, just like every Albanian fine dining establishment, home-baked bread. So, yeah. Comes the vegetarian options, and they even give you the option to try it out. They're prepared already, so if you don't want it, you can return it, believe it or not. That's cornbread?
Yes, this one. Normal bread here.
It's butter. Let's have some local cheese.
Yeah. So send that back.
Okay, and this one.
And you want to take both of these or just one? There's a lot of cheese going on. Maybe too much.
I don't know, let's see. But look at that, fresh, warm. That's local butter. Bet you it's from the farmlands. Look how raw and grainy it is.
It's very hot. Let the ketchup in. What do you think?
And that's buttermilk. And as confirmed, these come from the owner's dairy farm.
Good, Nova?
15 cows apparently.
Thank you.
That's goodness. That's your buttermilk. What do you call that dish though? What's that called?
It is a homemade pie, you know.
Okay, a pie. Stuffed with vegetables.
Vegetables with tomato and onion.
Freshly prepared.
Yes. Enjoy.
Thank you. What's that, Hershey?
It's lemon, right?
He said it's milk, but I think it's yogurt.
Oh, wow.
It's really good.
Almost close to a lemonade, yeah. Wow. guys, everything over here has tasted amazing. It's basically a farm to table concept. Everything's organic. And let me look at this glass. Creamy, this yogurt milk. Wow. And here's the main hero.
I'm good.
It's lamb meat in the house.
No, we're good. We're gonna attack this.
Look at that.
Grazie.
How long has this been baked in the oven for?
Yeah, for 2 hours.
And this is locally sourced, the lamb?
Yes.
Wow.
The oven is, it's not electrically, it is with wood, you know.
With wood.
Yeah, with wood.
Wow.
Not electric.
Wood oven. Cut that, look at that fat. Glistening fat, look at that. And here's dessert. Just somewhat like a custard, dairy prepared. So basically a custard baked in the oven with this thick, crispy, well not crispy, but melted top layer, look at that. Caramelized. All right, guys, we're done. It's closer to 5, and man, was that a meal and a half. I gotta say, this is something you gotta come out and try, even though it's about a half hour away. The food's fresh. These guys grow their own animals. They get their own byproducts, milk products, so anything that's milk related does extremely
Hello
well.
guys, nice food,
This is it.
drinking beer, everything beer,
This is
everything's alright.
This is our final, a good way of finishing off Albania.
God
Amazing
bless
food.
Albanian, God bless everybody
That's
and
it.
friends.
Yeah, what do you have to say to the rest of the world about Albania? Because I'm visiting from New York.
Albanian is hospitality, nice people, nice place, nice sea, everything is simple, everything is okay. We are poor, but we are rich here.
It is actually
God bless everybody.
very true.
God bless you.
I have to say, very hospitable
We're
people.
other people.
But I was continuing, guys. You gotta come to this place to get a true taste of the Albanian food. Certainly worth it. It was really farm to table, and everything's from their own farm or from around the village, and it tastes so different. It tastes amazing. This is something you gotta do. If you're not doing this over here on your way to Tirana, or when you get over here, you're missing out big time. So see you later. Shimo, shimo.
Cut through the fog. Heart still jogging in the dark. I'm awake. Pressure on my back. Turn that weight into play.